Hi, welcome to week 12 of English 114. We're going to switch directions this week and take a look at informal proposals. So I'm going to ask you to do a lot of reading and reflecting and considering this week, and there's only one graded assignment for this week, and that is to post in a forum some ideas that you have about a proposal that you want to do. Now, the proposal is not due until December the 6th, and the outline for the proposal is not due until November the 15th. But I'm going to go ahead and give you the documents that relate to those assignments this week so that you can read them and be contemplating them and understanding what a proposal is and what you're going to do for your proposal. So please don't wait and try to do this later. Go ahead and start it this week. In fact, your assignment for the forum this week is to post your ideas, your initial ideas about what you might like to do for a proposal. And you don't have to respond to other people's posts because they are just your ideas. But what I would like for you to do is go in there and look at what other people have said for their ideas and consider what you might that you might get some ideas from them. So I think it would be a good idea to just share our ideas this week. Now, that's the only graded assignment you have to do. But I do want you to read Chapter 11 and Chapter 12. I want you to view the PowerPoint, which talks about informal proposals and talks about other kinds of informal reports in general. And we'll need that information coming up in the next few weeks as we continue to work on informal reports of different kinds as you work on your proposal. So basically what a proposal is there's something that you might have been complaining about that you think you have a really good solution for. And so it could be something in your neighborhood or otherwise in your community. It could be like in your child's school or daycare. It could be in a church that you attend or a civic organization that you participate in. Or it could be something at your school. It could be something at your job. And what we're going to propose is an idea to solve a problem in one of those areas. So I really would like for you to read those documents so that you'll see all the parts that you need to do. This is going to require some research on your part, so you're going to need to get started right away. So don't wait. Go ahead and take advantage of the time that you have now. Also, I would like for those who are maybe a little bit behind on a couple of assignments, most people who are still keeping up with the class enough that you would be looking at this video have already asked permission to turn in some things late, and I've given the permission. But since we don't have a lot of written work to do this week, perhaps you could work and make it a goal to get caught up in anything that you're a little bit behind on this week also. So here's your assignment. Again, view the PowerPoint, view the written documents, read those 2 chapters, and then start thinking. And when you start thinking, record in the forum some of your ideas that you have that you might do for a proposal. Now, some things that you're going to have in your written proposal, again, which is not due until December 6th, you're going to have some primary research that you've done, including a personal interview, or it could be a telephone interview, or it could be an email interview with someone who is an expert that could give you valuable information that you can put in your report. And so we're going to use MLA Works Cited format to include that information in the proposal. So be thinking of who you can interview to get some information to help you with this proposal. Also, in addition to that, you'll have to put a graphic of some kind in your report. Now, the graphic can be a table or it can be a figure of some kind. And figures can include various things, pictures, maps, room designs, whatever it is that best suits your report and adds value to your report. It's not like you're decorating your report. It's something that actually adds value to your report. So those are 2 things you're going to have to be thinking about as well. And there will be information that is asked you in the outline document. So when you look at your proposal outline document, you'll see it asks what graphic are you going to use and what will it illustrate. And so be thinking about that. Now later on we're going to do a PowerPoint to be posted in a forum about your proposal, but that will be later, so don't worry about that right now. And the PowerPoint can't be the graphic that you use in your written report. It has to be something else. Now you probably want to use whatever graphic that you put into your report into the PowerPoint as well. But right now that's what your assignment is to be thinking and reflecting and trying to decide what it is that you actually want to do your proposal on. Don't forget to post in the forum. And if there's anything that anybody is a little bit late on and wants to use this as a catch-up week to catch up on your assignments, then I trust that you will do that also. Most of you have been right on time every time and have done really good work for this course, and I've been enjoying working with you. But there are a couple of people who've asked for special permission to turn in things late, and if you're viewing this video, I'm just reminding you this would be a good chance, since we don't have a lot of written work to do this week, to go ahead and get caught up on your written assignments. So just because we don't have many written assignments this week does not mean you don't have an assignment to do. Go ahead, don't wait till the last minute. Keep those deadlines in mind, but be thinking about what you want to do your proposal on. A good solution to a problem that you want somebody to actually consider. So have a good week, and I'll talk to you soon.